Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. TFSA Wealthsimple trade update. This is Monday. We came out of the weekend, did an update over the weekend, answered some of your questions. So if you want to check that out, if you haven't seen it yet, go back, check out my last video. We ended Friday, not a great day if you've been following the markets, but thankfully, as kind of predicted, everything, heads have kind of leveled off, and it was a bit, I think maybe a bit of overreaction on Friday with the market. So today was kind of nice to see things not go down even further. A bit of recovery seemed to be kind of bouncing back. So let's just jump into the portfolio. I didn't do any obviously new deposits today. I did that deposit on Friday, took advantage of some of the drops in a couple of the ETFs, which was nice to see. We'll jump into the portfolio and check out how we did for today. If this is your first time here, we are doing a Wealthsimple TFSA trade challenge. We have the TFSA set up, trying to grow from $0 all the way to $100,000. We started in last April, and we've been going since then, making small deposits along the way, learning as we go. It would be great to have you follow along. If you aren't subscribed, just go have a look. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Turn on the notification bell if you want to get notified of new videos. Let's jump into the portfolio. All right, here we are. We are in the TFSA trade portfolio. You can see we're down a little bit for this month, but let's just get into that. We'll just see how the market kind of did today as it came back. Now, prices on a lot of them were flat, but we're not going down, which is a good thing. So BEP.UN, it finished the day up a little bit, 31 cents, which is nice to see, 46.43. We are still down, unfortunately, a little bit of this one, 1.92%. Not too worried about that on our 8 shares from Brookfield Renewables. We will make another. I keep meaning to purchase more of these, but I have been building up my ETFs. So haven't there. CMC, Cielo Solutions, this one's been not doing great at all. We're down again today. I think we're going to see a lot of volatility with this one. But again, a long-term hold, 5 to 10 years. Hopefully this one will pay off. ETC, this is our Cryptocurrencies ETF. This one took a big drop on Friday along with a lot of the cryptocurrencies. They are back up today. If you are following those in the market and you have some investments in any type of cryptocurrency, you will notice today they were up quite a bit and almost back to where they were, which is nice to see. This one we're up 6.24% today, 68 shares. We are still down a little bit, 5.23%. But again, long-term investment, not too worried about that one either. Greenlane Renewables, this one's not been doing great. We were up quite a bit, but it took quite a drop. I think we're going to see these with a lot of these smaller cap companies in the next little bit with this volatility possibly going on. Maybe a bit of overreaction, maybe not. We'll see. I think for long-term though, we'll use it as a bit of an opportunity to purchase some more shares on our next deposit to get our average cost down when we can. So finished off $1.29, 5.15%. I looked on the news on this and there was nothing really that would jump out to say why the price went down. So if anybody's watching this that has Greenlane Renewables in their portfolio and knows something I don't and haven't seen, let me know in the comments below. REI.UN, the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, we are down a little bit too. I could see this kind of a bit of a reaction as well from the news and everything happening on Friday. That's why this one I think is still down a little bit flat. 25 shares, we're still doing okay, 5.93%, so not too bad on REI. We're got our regular dividend coming up as well, and I will do an update video to show how many dividends have come from the month of November. R&W, again, down a little bit today, 1863. It finished off on, we have 30 shares, down 6.6%, 6.15%. We will be adding to this one too. Do like getting those dividends that come in from R&W. Solar Alliance Energy, well, this one's up 3.03%, 17 cents. Not great on this. We're still down on this one. Again, long term. We'll see how this one plays out over the next 5 or 10 years. We're going to hold this. We're not going to make any decisions to kind of just sell these and dump them to take our losses. We'll just hang on to them. We don't have a big amount invested in them, so it's not money that I need. Everything that's going into this TFSA is money that I will not have to touch for the next 5 to 10 years, so not too worried about that. SOT.UN, I can see this one was down a bit as well, 497. We are down 3.98%. Now we have 61 shares. Down today, we were down $1.22. I can see how this would be going down just with the news that was happening with return to work and all this kind of stuff on Friday. We'll see. Also too, their ex-dividend date was, I believe, today. So you kind of see after people hold them, the prices might go down because they're have sold them. We'll see, because they're going to receive the dividend next month. Telus, 29.49, up a little bit today, 0.44. So we're kind of getting back our gains. You can see with Telus we went down quite a bit all with this, and then we're starting to kind of come back up. I think that this next week, as long as it kind of continues, we'll have the same results. VDY, this one is down today as well, but we are still up 6.2%. So that's our Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. Regular dividends coming from this one. We'll keep adding to that. We did purchase actually this on Friday. We purchased an additional, we can go down here, VDY, additional 5 shares, 42.18. So we're kind of down a little bit on that purchase. Maybe could have waited till Monday, but that's okay. VFE, this one's up, almost up 1%, which is kind of nice today, $1.01 to $5.47. And we actually have up 6.38%, which is nice on VFV, our Vanguard S&P 500 index, because we purchased on Friday 104.67. So we're definitely in the green on this one on VFV. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. How did your portfolio do? If you were following along, let me know how your portfolio did after this this Friday to Monday. It'd be great to hear what everybody's doing. I always appreciate your questions and comments. Also, your suggestions on different stocks and ETFs. Let me know down in the comments what you're watching, what you're invested in. Always like to hear that. Until the next video, everybody, we'll do another one in the middle of the week just to see how things are going. Thanks, everybody. If you've made it this far as well and you're not subscribed, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, helps the YouTube algorithm. It's great to see the channel growing. See you in the next video.